Hey there, hope you're doing well. In this video, I wanted to share what I believe to be the easiest side hustle that you can start right now to help you make 2025 your best year yet, okay? And without beating around the bush, I'm going to let you know right up front, I'm not going to take your time. This is going to be about selling digital products, okay, using digital marketing. Now, there are a couple ways to go about this that I'm going to elaborate further on later on in the video. And you might want to stick around to hear these if you're not familiar. But if you're one of those that just wants to hit the ground running, you're an action taker and you just want to just get going, you can get access to some training that will show you how to do that right from the start. So first link in the description below, click on that link and you will be able to see exactly how you can start selling digital products, all right? It will show you everything from A to Z, okay? Now, for those of you who are interested in hearing everything else that I have to say, we'll get right into it. Now, if you're joining me for the first time, my name is Christian. Welcome to my channel. I am Christian M, a place where I decided to document my journey to financial independence. And that could mean several different things for different people, but for our purposes, financial independence, we're just simply looking to get to that point where we're generating enough in passive income to cover our living expenses. Okay, so it's as simple as that. And I'm talking here about real passive income. I'm not talking about like passive income that comes, temporarily from a little bit of work that we've done. Like, for example, people always like to use YouTube AdSense as an example of passive income, or selling digital products, right? Making money when you sleep. Depending on how you're doing all these things, like, well, especially with the YouTube stuff, if you stop posting your videos, eventually that quote unquote passive income is going to stop. Same with digital products. If you stop promoting and actively doing the things that you need to do in order to sell digital products, that money is going to stop, right? When we talk about passive income, I'm looking to get to that point where you literally do not have to work for the rest of your life and you still have money coming in, and that's usually typically going to come through the form of investments. Okay, so we are using all these different side hustles, whether it's digital marketing, selling digital products, or physical products, or whatever the case may be, as a means to build that base that we need to give us that that means to generate passive income for the long term. Okay, so anyway, if you're interested in that kind of stuff, please don't hesitate to give this channel a sub, right? Subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button if you end up liking this video. It does help the channel out quite a bit, appeases the YouTube gods, and helps to push out this video to more people that would be interested. All right, I appreciate it for those of you that do. Anyway, so selling digital products, okay, this is one of those things that if you've been online and you've been looking into it, you've probably seen all kinds of crazy numbers put out there. Like, when I say crazy numbers, I'm talking about like money that people are making from this, okay? And if you're not familiar, it may seem like it's all dodgy, like it's a scam, like this stuff is unrealistic, right? Because the kind of incomes that people are claiming to make online, while some of them may be fake, a lot of them are actually true, okay? And it's crazy to think that people can make this kind of money from just doing some of the most simple and basic stuff. So don't get me wrong or misunderstood. I'm not in any way, shape, or form saying that this stuff is easy. It's going to require work on your part, right? But it is simple, okay? The things that you need to do to succeed with selling digital products are simple. It's not rocket science. Just like losing weight, okay? If you are trying to go on a diet and all that type of stuff, most of us know what we need to do to get in shape, get fit, and lose weight and all that type of stuff. It's not rocket science. But the reason it is hard is most of us lack the commitment and discipline to do the simple things that are required to help us to lose weight, okay? And I like to look at selling digital products online, or any kind of online business, in the same kind of way, right? The things that we need to do to succeed with selling digital products are actually quite simple. Okay, what makes it hard, or what makes it seem like it's difficult to achieve, is the amount of consistent work, showing up for yourself on a daily basis for an extended period of time. That is what makes it difficult. Okay, having said that, let's go ahead and jump into the two main ways you can go about getting started selling digital products. Okay, and why I believe this is like the easiest side hustle that anyone can get going with, right? So, the first thing, which would be the harder way to go about it, right, is to create your own digital product, right? You can create your own digital product, and this could be something as simple as a PDF, right? Like a small ebook, 20 to 40 pages, or, you know, anything, 50 pages or less, right? You can create that. People are even using ChatGPT right now to write these, you know, have these books written for them in a sense, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend that. You can use ChatGPT to help you lay down like a framework or so, but the more personal and the more related to you you can make this, the better. That's just my opinion, right? That's just my opinion, all right? But it can be that. It can even be a course, you know, if you're okay with creating videos and, creating videos, teaching people how to do something. But it doesn't even have to go that far, right? Remember, we're looking at the easiest possible side hustle, the easiest possible way that you can go about doing this, right? And again, if you create your own, you can create these simple ebooks and sell them for any, you know, people are selling these things for $7, $9, $17, $27, right? $47. Just all depends on how much value you're putting in there. And it comes down to your knowledge, right? You have skills, you have things that you've, skills and abilities that you've acquired over your lifetime, right? And those skills or abilities or the knowledge that you have are things that people will actually pay for, believe it or not. So if you've taken care of some problems in the past and you know how to solve them, right, think about the things that people often approach you for, right? Like to help them with, or you could want your opinion on stuff like that, you know, whether it's dating advice. If you find yourself always giving your friends dating advice or helping your friends with their marriages, and so that there are ebooks like that, right? Like that are self-help guides to relationships and all kinds of stuff. If you're into cooking, right, or following a certain diet, or if you know how to, things that you need to do to eat to lose weight, stay lean, whatever the case may be, build muscle, whatever it is, right? People are out there that are looking to have these problems solved and will pay you for it, okay? So there's that aspect of it. Now, the other way to go about this, which is even simpler, even easier, is to sell digital products that have already been made by other people, okay? So you don't even have to create the product yourself, and you can sell it as an affiliate, right? Now, the only downside to that is, obviously, if you're going the affiliate model, there's typically going to be like a waiting period for you in order to get paid, right? Whereas if you create your own product, you can get paid instantly, right, when you post it on whatever platform that you want to use to sell the product, right? But even with that, right, I've done this with affiliate marketing, okay? At this point, I've made thousands of dollars online over the years, right? Multiple thousands of dollars. And I've done it all through affiliate marketing. I've never created a product on my own, even though that is something that I'm looking to branch into, get into this 2025, right? Especially as I see it's really nice and really really enticing to know that you can create your own thing, put it out there on the market, and literally within 24 hours, a week, whatever, 7 few days, have money come straight into your coffers and have it sent to your bank account, okay? and obviously you can command more, you'll make more of a profit, right? Usually if you're selling as an affiliate, you're selling for a commission, so a portion, a percentage of the sale, whereas if you create your own product, you get 100% of the sale. Okay. And then the next thing, you know, I mean, this is still on the affiliate side of things, or on the side of things where somebody else has created the product. You can also sell, you know, purchase products, you know, PLR products, or MRR, where somebody else has already created the product, and then you can sell it for the entire price, right? For 100% of the sale price, right? So, and this is, you know, so if you go the affiliate route, there's so many different, again, so many different niches that you can go into. Just make sure it's something that you're interested in, that you like talking about, and create content around it, like on the various different social media platforms, and present, you know, talk about the problems that people are facing that particular product solves, right? And then always use the content that you create as, you know, as a means to drive traffic for people who are interested in solving that particular problem to the product that you're promoting. Okay. So it's really, really that simple. This is, you know, kind of like a high level view of everything, but if you would like to learn how to do this stuff in detail from scratch, as somebody that has never touched or done anything like this, check out that first link in the description below this video. It will show you how to get started from A to Z, and set yourself, you know, set your business up right for the long term, all right? For long-term success, all right? If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer, and I will catch you in my next video. Thank you ever so much for watching. Ciao.